Welcome to the Garage Audit. My name is Ivan, and this is Thor Media. We've arrived at Darin Bassett's. He's in Michigan, and let's go check out his shop. You can see Darin's got the garage door open. Let's go say hi. How are you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Excellent. Give you a microphone, so.
Thank you.
So those who don't know Darin, he's quite the star in the Milwaukee world.
That's to say the least.
Yeah. M18 Darin,
yeah.
is how you can find him. But I see you have a bit of Milwaukee here, but we actually went to a shop that had more Milwaukee than you. So tell us about what you do, what got you into detailing.
So I started detailing. I had like a Focus SVT like when I was 18 or 19.
Okay.
And we used to have car shows like at my house, like a bunch of Focuses would come over.
Yeah.
And I just started washing everybody's cars and it took off, and then I just started detailing and polishing from there.
Okay.
Went to work for David Fermani when I was about 20 something.
Yeah.
Learned fair bit from him,
Yes.
and then just decided to start my own business doing that.
Yeah. Okay. So you detail as a business?
Yes, and I mainly do window tint nowadays.
Okay.
Because the detail market, I feel, is too saturated for my liking.
Yeah.
So I still take care of my main clients and people that I've had for 10 plus years.
Right.
I still do stuff for them, but I'm mainly doing window tint now.
Okay.
And tool reviews.
Yeah. Tool reviews I know you do a lot of. So mostly Milwaukee.
Yes.
Yeah.
Milwaukee.
Yeah, we could tell we pulled up to Darin's place because we could see the Milwaukee sign from the street. So let's go around your shop and just see what you've got and any innovations you've brought to the detail space.
I mean, I've 3D printed those polisher holders, which has been I'm surprised they're still holding up, to be honest with you.
Yeah. Just the 2 screws at the bottom?
There's 2 also behind.
Okay, yeah.
Like right there.
Okay, perfect, yeah.
So I got some new filament. I will be printing some more because I have the rotary.
Yeah.
And then the signed 15 millimeter.
Okay.
It's got to go up there. That's pretty much it. I'm most happiest about my toolboxes.
Oh, nice.
So this is my favorite drawer.
Oh, the ratchets, yeah?
Yeah, I'm really obsessed with them. I don't understand why, especially when I have all the power tools that I do have.
Yeah.
People don't really use ratchets anymore, but I'm just obsessed. So
I have a number of ones. When I see one that's a different shape, I buy it. You never know when you're going to need that shape, that length. So
exactly,
yeah.
And they all perform a little different. So
right.
I got the power tools up here. Some more power tools up here.
Yeah.
Power tools down here as well.
Good.
Milwaukee jump pack should be coming soon.
Okay, so this is not
yet.
available yet?
No, they say August, so people should be getting them here in a few weeks.
Okay, well, by the time this comes out, it will be out. So
there you go.
Okay.
Wrenches.
Yeah. And then you 3D printed most of the holders, I can see.
No, so I actually work with a guy, QRT Organizers, and he makes all these organizers. He designed them himself. The magnets are printed in.
Oh, nice.
None of the stuff's moving anymore.
Yeah. Good. I like the way it holds the ratchet. You can see what it is. Very distinct, the size, so you're not having to guess.
Exactly. And then most of my detailing stuff's over there on that shelf in a big mess.
Yeah. Well, this is a home garage, so you've got the home stuff to deal with as well.
Yes.
Your tint, you do that at another shop?
I subcontract for a few shops, and I'm also mobile. So I'll go to my clients' houses and do it in their garage. Take my keg there and just
Good. So mobile tint, that's something we don't see too often because of the dust and everything.
Correct. It's all about film handling, I feel like.
Yes.
you can work in any environment. If your film handling is not good, then you're not gonna produce a great result.
Right.
And I pre-cut most of my film before I go.
Yeah.
So I'm not cutting on vehicles. A few of the shops that I subcontract for have plotters, so I just plot it all out
Okay.
and wrap it up and go.
Okay,
So,
good. Excellent. I see another detailing related tool here, the vacuum cleaner.
This is the dual battery 9-gallon vacuum. It's a somewhat recent addition.
Yeah.
I'm very happy with the amount of power that you're able to get out of 2 batteries instead of 1. I had the 6-gallon before that. It was only a single battery.
Yeah.
This produces about 15 more CFM of lift for the vacuum.
Good.
So I like that a lot. I got another vacuum right here on the pack out tower, along with the pack out light.
Yeah.
So it's nice to just roll around when I'm polishing. You just got the 3.
You can aim it wherever you need.
Yep.
Yeah.
Another one. Another light up here.
Okay. Yeah.
So I got that. Milwaukee paint match light is in this drawer somewhere.
They have a paint match light.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
It's a little on the expensive side, but it's worth it. So you can go through the different the colors of light. So the Kelvin.
Oh, nice.
You can change that, and the brightness. Magnet's super strong, so if you need to set it up somewhere.
Right. It uses the M12 series. So.
Yep.
Yeah. Excellent. And then, what do you use for your drawer brush? Is it an M12 or an M18?
I use an M12.
M12?
M12 mainly, just for size.
Okay.
And being able to get into places, and to be honest, the M12 is super impressive platform.
Yeah.
I do have a lot of M12 tools, and they perform just as good for what I need for drill brushing.
Yeah.
So I tend to stay away from interiors for the most part, which is kind of crazy to say being a detailer, but I've just gotten to that point where I'm too like neurotic to deal with it. But I do have a vacuum.
Yeah. Well, vacuum is nice, and especially if you're tinting a vehicle, it's got some dust in it. It's nice to get rid of as much of that dust before you start. So
before you start blowing it around and everything. So.
Yeah. So what got you into detailing?
So I used to have a little Ford Focus that I was super obsessed with. I was always cleaning it.
Mm-hmm.
There's a big community around this area, at least Michigan, at least being the Motor City.
Yeah.
And I used to have people come over to the house, and they were always like, "Why is your car so clean? Do you want to wash my car real quick?" And then it just snowballed from there. Started polishing, working for other people before I went and ventured on my own in 2021.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what keeps you in detailing? What do you like about it?
I just like the result.
Mm-hmm.
I strive for the result. So the process in that is somewhat lovely to me.
Yeah.
Finding ways to be more efficient
Good.
And providing that result that I'm looking for in the end.
Excellent.
With less amount of steps.
What is it that you don't like about detailing? What's the turn off?
The turn off is the saturation.
Okay.
And the product saturation as well. It seems counterintuitive at this point.
Yeah, there's a lot of different products. So yes, yeah.
So that's the biggest turnoff for me is the saturation. And I don't know.
Yeah, pick something you like.
The tint's more profitable at this point.
Yeah. Okay. Good. What tool do you have that you couldn't live without in detailing?
These polishers.
Okay.
I love these polishers so much. They really did an amazing job.
Yeah.
I wish they would. They told me they were working on an M12 mini polisher.
Okay.
But that was 2 years ago.
Okay.
So no new news in that front. But, the polishers definitely. I do a lot of polishing, so that's going to be my main detailing tool. Or the paint match light is very nice to have.
Yeah.
A little more on the expensive side, but I mean, you have to have a good paint light.
Yeah, definitely. And what tool do you have, or do you see others people using that you think, yeah, you don't really need that?
A steamer.
Okay.
I don't think you necessarily inherently need a steamer.
Yeah.
But it is nice to have sometimes for those, disaster cars.
Yeah.
But you can really damage some things. Expand foam, expand leather.
Yes.
You're damaging interior plastics. You just have to be super careful.
Yeah, definitely. A lot of people go overboard with the steamer. When they first came out, they were not first came out, but when they first came into the detailing industry, everyone had to have one, and they overused it everywhere. So
I mean, I have one.
Yeah.
But I mean, it gets used for window tint removal.
Okay.
Mostly.
Yeah.
So it's rarely ever that I'm using it for interiors or doing detailing unless I'm using like a BioBombs mini, which works great in the steamer.
Yeah, they do. The BioBombs in general just work great.
Yes.
If you have odors to get rid of, get BioBombs. They're wonderful. You use an electric pressure washer or a gas pressure washer?
I have a gas pressure washer.
Okay.
It's right there.
Yeah.
I also have an electric Giraffe pressure washer replacement that I haven't. The other one broke.
Okay.
I wanted to mount it in the garage somewhere, but with me adding this toolbox recently, it's kind of limiting my space.
Okay.
Maybe take that out and put it right there.
Yeah.
That would be nice.
Okay.
But I do use a gas pressure washer for the most part.
Yeah.
I detail my Snap-on Man's truck, so it's nice to have the higher pressure to get up high.
Yeah.
I got a mitt on a stick that works really well.
Yeah.
I deal with a lot of lifted trucks and bigger things.
Okay.
When I am detailing.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Good. Thank you very much, Darin.
Yeah, no problem. Sorry, there's not much for you here.
No, that's great. It's more about the passion and why people get into detailing. That's why we do this. The garage is a pretext to meet the people.
Right.
That's what it is. From here, we'll go back to the bus and give Darin his final report card. Darin has a great little business. The shop at home, obviously, he doesn't do detailing out of. He does mostly mobile. But if you have any questions about Milwaukee tools, he is the man to answer them. And you can find him in the links below. If you'd like your own garage audited, please reach out to Jamie at the House of Rags, and you never know when the bus is going to pull up in front of your place.